Well, we have a tribute to showers and thunderstorms for a couple of days ongoing here. We had some of that. Yes, we had some of that yesterday, and it looks like for today and tomorrow, there is a next weather alert back-to-back today and tomorrow as well. And again, the reason is because of a stalled out cold front. No, it's not Bertha. That is still out over the Gulf and moving its way toward Texas. But you see all that rain. That's a stalled out cold front that's moving right overhead and smack dab over us all the way through the end of the week. So that could lead to a 2 of 4 risk of excessive rainfall, especially for today. Now you can see just how far away the tropical happenings are. This way south over, actually just south of South Louisiana, over the northern Gulf. Most of the rain with Bertha actually is over the Gulf right now and eventually could be pushed toward South Texas. So let's go ahead and plan things out with Bertha by the numbers. Winds at 45 miles an hour. Did make an initial landfall in southeastern Louisiana late yesterday and continues to make that push again towards the Texas coastline. So fairly limited effects as the storm's fairly weak. And again, most of this is kind of lopsided out over the Gulf at this point. But there is still a tropical storm warning south and west of New Orleans all the way back to just west of Houston. And the biggest threats, a very minimal storm surge. So there could be some limited coastal flooding along the Louisiana and Texas coastlines, and potentially even as close to us as the Alabama coastline, like Orange Beach. And then there's going to be some pretty big rains over South Texas, too. Now, the rains here, again, that is not from Bertha or anything tropical, but there could be 1 to 3, maybe 2 to 5 inches of rainfall in this blue and purple band. So things could get a little bit messy around here over the next couple of days. We've got that storm system moving in from the north, some late storms for today. And again, the system that's spinning over the northern Gulf, that is Bertha, that will continue to pull away and eventually diminish. So for today, we do have a flood watch that's in effect just north of the perimeter. That is because of that potential of excessive rainfall. So let's plan things out for you. You see here that coming in from the north, the showers and storms along the state line with Tennessee first. And then by the time we get into this afternoon and evening, that's when things could get rougher around here in the metro area, especially after about 5 to 7 p.m. That's when those showers and storms move in. You can see some of the yellows and reds. If you do see water ahead of you, make sure you turn around and don't drown. That's what we say, because you could have some situations where we do have some pretty hefty ponding on some of the roadways. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast and temperatures. 85 to 90 today and tomorrow, next weather alert days, and then the storms decrease by Sunday. That allows temperatures back into the 90s.